Well, I've got my second saddle that I'm repurposing as a backup saddle for my P6. I still haven't got the spare battery for my P6 yet because it's being freighted from China, air freight. Unfortunately, I've got a right hand side battery on my P6 that has failed after the first charge, so I don't know whether anyone else is having this issue, but anyway, they're sending me a new one, but I can't ride it or test out my new saddle. So while I'm sitting here twiddling my thumbs about what I'm going to do, I've started repurposing this second saddle here. I've had to strengthen it up here to give it some more structural integrity to be able to accommodate a viewing hole. I've forged this and I've got it all bolted in, and so now yeah, I've just got to add some padding, try and work on that, shape it a little bit, and work out some sort of an attachment across here. I think I need to raise it up because that there needs to be the same height as that while it's sitting. It's just sitting in the middle here, so I need to raise it up so that that there will fit on the front of the P6. Yeah, so bit of fun working out attachments and how it's going to work, but I think this saddle will also be pretty exciting once I get it finished. So I've put a bit of contact on there, and I'm just going to start a bit of a pinch point there. Tricky. I want to cut it, but I'm not sure. I think I need to cut it here. Just cut it there so that it will spread out a little bit, and I can get it on here properly and mould it around at the narrowest point. That's it. Yeah, that's coming down on there nicely, much more nicely. And when I cut those out, when I cut these little bits out here, I'm going to try and make that around, and then I'll try and slot these bits back in there and fill that gap there so that the padding comes up flush all together. So now I've just got to trim it a bit. And fold this edges in. Also covering up a few of these sharp edges here. Going to shape the hole here. It's coming together here now, where I'm just going to lay the proper padding in there. Hopefully I'll be able to line it up properly. There she is. I'm just going to trim this away. Probably mount that up on there like that, just so it makes it nice and cushy. And trim that up a little bit as well. Just trying to cover up some sharp edges here as well. I'm going to put another full layer across here. Cut a piece. One more piece, and then that might layer up there. That's an idea. Yeah. Transform it to my P6 pretty nicely, I reckon. Just trim that up a little bit. And this one's a bit more lightweight than this other heavy duty one that I've got down here, which is pretty nice and it's working out pretty good, but I'm still waiting on a replacement battery for my P6 because it failed. In the meantime, I'm building another saddle, and this one's going to be the wet weather saddle. I'm going to cover it with vinyl. It's going to be a bit more lightweight than the other one. And yep, I think it's going to look pretty good. Just need the front put in here, like this. Something like that. Maybe not quite that high. But yeah. We will see. What's progressing here? Just covered up all the sharp edges and everything. And I'm thinking I'm going to wrap it. I'm thinking I'm going to wrap it with this. It's just a cheap vinyl, but at least that won't get wet. And I can replace it again anytime I like, put something else on. But so just got to trim that up a bit. And then I think it'll be almost ready to put the vinyl on. I've made this bracket here as well, which sits just like this, and on the P6 I think it sits pretty nicely. A little bit of rubber there that I jammed in there, but I've got to put another piece on here, so I've got to do one more and then it'll be finished. So I've covered up all the sharp edges here to make it nice, so when I wrap it, hopefully nothing will poke through too sharply. Let's put this back in again. Yeah, I think I'll be able to wrap that around underneath there and then put this on, which will make it attach. But looks pretty good, I reckon. P6 saddle number 2 coming to fruition. Well, I'm back onto the saddle repurposing for EUC, and just putting the last layer on this saddle, which is, I think, working out pretty good. So place this centrally here. And should be able to just trim it off nice and round like that, and it is very nice. I've just forged another handle for this saddle. It's a bit better version than the other one that I did over there. But yeah, pretty happy with this. Drill a couple of holes, get those 2 bottom bolts in there, and then pull it in, and then drill these ones, and job done. And I can give it a whirl out in this rainy weather that we've got here. I won't have to get my seat.